So me and Muroki, we went into a session one day with Dallas from Fat Freddy's, Pānia Papa, and Devin Abrams, which was really cool. We wrote Kārewa.
Since the first one I did the translation of Wavy. I was like, oh man, I'd love to write a song from scratch and have it be its own entity and just be known as Kārewa, or you know what I mean? So it's been amazing that support's been there to make something like that happen.
Muroki came in with this concept about wanting to help someone like a friend or a family member who is maybe struggling through some tough times, and we were kind of going through similar things at the same time, which made the whole song come together so organically and so authentically. I was so thrilled and so excited to be a part of it. At the same time, totally daunting. I am part Māori, but I haven't learnt to learn Māori, and this is, for me, a really awesome first step in delving into my culture. It's always scary performing, let alone in front of a camera, let alone in a language that is not first nature to you. But it was just such an awesome experience to have the support of everyone in the room.
O taku hononga ki tēnei kaupapa, waihoki ki tēnei waiata, he reo hāpai noiho. Nā reira, e ki ana ko te hāpai o ki muri. Koe rā mātou reo waiata. Kāre kupu e whakātu ana I taku mihi nui ki a rāua, ki a muroki rāua ko RIIKI. Me te ātāhua, me te rōreka, me te miere hoki o rāua reo waiata, me te whakahua o ngā kupu.
E piki mai angi.
Ahakoa kare kauhere o Māori, a rātou, kare koe ka mōhio, like, ka rongo koe, ka pōhehe he matatau.
Oh man, it's been like exciting, kind of challenging, a bit nerve-wracking. You never know whether a song's gonna be cool anyway, like when you first go to do it. So I'm just so pleased that, like, we just got a banging tune.
Waiata Anthems is so amazing. The team around and the support to be able to do this is so essential. It makes me feel like I'm more connected to who I am. On a wider scale, I think it's actually just putting our culture on the map.
Yeah, I'm super stoked, and just super stoked for the opportunity as well. Everybody coming together and like really making something happen like this has been just, yeah, it's been great.